Hi guys, today we've got a quick and easy twisted bun hairstyle for you. To start, I'm dividing the hair into two sections and just clipping the left hand side out of the way. I'm just then going to divide the right hand section in half again horizontally, so we have a top and a bottom section. Clip that top section out of the way for now, and all we're going to do is secure that bottom section into a low ponytail. Release that top section down and we're just going to create another small ponytail a couple of inches above it. Then we're going to repeat the same two ponytails on the left hand side of the head. So you should end up with 4 ponytails. Okay, just clip those top 2 ponytails out of the way for later on. And then working on the right hand side, I'm going to do a rope braid. So split it in half, twist both sections to the left and then cross the left strand over the right strand. So twist to the left and then cross the left over the right, and then carry on all the way down until you get to the bottom of the hair and secure it with a clear elastic band. On the last turn, only pull the tail ends part way through to create a loop. Now we're going to take that rope braid and we're going to bring the ends up to meet the top of the ponytail and secure them together with another elastic band to create a large loop. And then those tail ends, I'm just going to pin them to the head to keep them out of the way. And then we're going to repeat the same steps on the left hand side. So create your rope braid, bring the ends up to create a large loop and secure it with a band, and then pin those tail ends down. And it really is that simple. We're just going to then repeat the same steps on the top 2 ponytails. So you should end up with 4 braided loops. So taking the top left and the bottom right loop, I'm going to put my hand through the loop at the bottom, grab that top braid and pull it all the way through. Hold this to the head and secure all around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Now I'm going to take that right top hand loop and bring the bottom loop all the way through, and again pin it all around the outside using a few bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.